This is Cindy Best from Best Law Firm. This particular document is an affidavit of service with signature confirmation for family law cases in Maricopa County, Arizona. Ross is the petitioner and he's filed for divorce against his wife, Rachel Chandler. He has decided to choose the mailing of these documents to her. He could have also chosen to give her a letter to sign, which is called an acceptance affidavit of service, but that's under a separate video. He could hire a process server, which costs money, and have her served, or he could send her these through certified mail, which she then needs to sign the green card that comes in the mail, and he gets that back, and he files that with the court. So let's go through that. He tells the court that he has a signed return receipt for delivered mail and a copy of the receipt that shows to whom and where the documents were sent. He mailed the documents to Rachel Chandler. That's not enough to tell the court. As we go through here, we'll see. He says the documents were sent on June 1st and they were delivered on June 2nd. And see the red check marks? These are all the documents that he mailed to Rachel, a divorce with children. All of these documents were required. And he mailed those, and then the next page he goes through. He can check these boxes if he wants, but he doesn't necessarily have to. And he goes through there and says, how did I send these documents? I sent them through U.S. mail, certified mail. And he goes through there and he signs this, and he has it notarized. But if you go to the next page, you will see that this document was sent to Rachel Chandler, who actually signed the green card. He files it with the court. Note that the only acceptable signature is that of the other party. You must have Rachel sign it. Nobody else at her house. If you're still living together, which some people do, you can't sign for it. Rachel has to sign for it. And then he actually files the confirmation from the U.S. Postal Service as part of this document. And you will see here, Rachel Chandler, here's the certified mail receipt from the U.S. Postal Service. He keeps that and he attaches a copy of it, just like the directions say. Copy of the register receipt from the Postal Service. And the court really wants to make sure that Rachel received these documents, and that's why this is so important. And then he will file that in the courthouse nearest him to show the court that in fact these documents were served and received. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to call Best Law Firm at 480-219-2433. This is not legal advice, but this is a guideline to show you how to go through this process without needing to retain attorneys. But if you have any questions, you should always talk to a competent and experienced family law attorney. Again, this is Cindy Best from Best Law Firm. Thank you.